Hey guys, it's Chrissy. Today we are heading to Starbucks to try their new funnel cake Frappuccino. They just came out with this drink. What it is? It's funnel cake flavored syrup blended with coffee, milk and ice, layered with strawberry puree, whipped cream and powdered sugar funnel cake spices. That's a mouthful. As you guys probably know, I do not consume dairy, so I went online and did my research on how to order this drink dairy-free. And you guys, we are lucky. It is super easy to veganize. So we are just going to order this drink with plant milk instead of regular milk, and then we ask for no whipped cream. All other ingredients are supposedly vegan, so yeah, it's super easy. Let's order it. So I ordered a tall and the price is $4.95 plus 70 cents for the customization. I ordered it with coconut milk and no whipped cream. So it's a total of $5.99 for a tall strawberry funnel cake Frappuccino. Okay, order placed. Let's get it. Lock the door. I got it. Here it is, you guys, in all its glory. Look how pretty. I think it looks so good and so cute. I can smell the strawberry. Okay, let's do this. I'm so excited. Ooh, okay. Okay, Starbucks. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, you guys, this tastes pretty good. I'm not sure if it tastes like an actual funnel cake though. I wouldn't say that. It is very sweet, of course. It's a Frappuccino. But not bad, I must say. It's good. I kind of like it. What do I taste? I taste caramel, strawberry, and cinnamon. It's almost like a caramel frap, just more fruity. I like it, you guys. I really do. I'm not someone who likes super sweet drinks on a daily basis, but every now and then, it's kind of good. Okay, you guys, so I would give this drink a try if I were you, especially if you love Frappuccinos. Overall, it is really good. The flavors are not all over the place. A few years ago, they came out with this unicorn drink, and I was like, oh my god, what am I actually tasting here? There were so many flavors involved, so this one is not like that at all. It is not all over the place flavor-wise. If you love fraps and you kind of want to switch it up, give it a try. I think you'll like it. I am pleasantly surprised. This frap is really good. I am always on the hunt for new drinks, so please, any recommendations, suggestions, Starbucks must-tries, pop them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to welcome you to my YouTube fam. Thank you again and have an amazing rest of your day.